Mr. Eddie Barber. I'm back from the Orlando Premiere Show 2018. They had a lot of good stuff there. Some of the deals were good. I would say on the whole, the deals weren't the greatest, but let me show you some of the stuff I got. I guess I'll start out with the retro T-cuts, and I decided to buy 2 pairs. They were selling them there for like $55, and the price has been starting to go up on these online, so I decided that I like them and I wanted to get them. I'll do an unboxing on them later on this channel. I haven't actually done one. I got a lot of little stuff, some cord detanglers. This was from the Graph Etch booth. You put a razor on the left side here, just your normal double-edged razor, snap it in half, and then you can use your enhancements, or you can put color or whatever on somebody's beard, and then you can edge it in with this. So it's kind of neat to have one tool to do the same job. I've got another razor holder, some clipper combs, but probably one of the coolest things I got was the new Babyliss Rose FX, and we're going to do a little unboxing on this right now. This thing just looks beautiful, and I hope it performs as good as it looks. It's got a great feel to it. It's got a nice throw. Of course, we know it's going to fit the wall blades, so I got a wall blade to put on it. And what you actually get with this in the box, you get just a charger, and it's not massive, so that's kind of nice. There's no stand. That's kind of the downside. And obviously you get your clips. They did incorporate the half and the 1 1/2, so you're getting a fairly premium set of clips. I'd say that's pretty cool that they come with that, so we don't have to actually hunt those down, or you don't have to actually use the ones from Wall. And we're gonna probably use them on a haircut, and I'll do a little demo on those soon. And the other thing I got that was really neat was the Rose Fx Tremor. I really don't know if this is going to be a very good trimmer or not. We'll have to see. Only time will tell. I've had nothing but bad luck from Babyliss, but like I said, I'm going to give them another chance here with this one. I really think they were getting close to hitting a home run. They just didn't hit it yet. And some of the stuff that's made in China is not the greatest, but hopefully their quality is coming up. So this thing feels really good in the hand, and I can't wait to throw down a couple designs with it and see how well it performs. But once you open this box, which I haven't actually done yet, pretty nice boxes, pretty nice packaging. I mean, they're metal, and you actually probably can come up with some other cool use for it, but it's nice. So the branding and the packaging is probably second to none. And let's see what else we get. Okay, so again, we get a nice cord. Your standard, actually you get a little blade setting tool. They told me about this when I bought it. It actually comes with a level and everything, so we'll see how well that works. I'll be doing a little demonstration on that too. And it looks like you're actually going to get some guards that you'll never use, so I should just throw them in the garbage now. And again, about the same charger. So there's no stand, but they told me when I bought them that these get a 3-hour runtime on the clippers, and I'm not sure what the trimmer said. We'll see. We're going to put these to the test real soon. So I'm going to get these 2 units charging. Quick shot of them on the charger. You got this light that's blue and blinking. We'll see what happens once it's fully charged. The only thing I could see that distinguishes the 2 chargers is one says Babyliss, the other one says Babyliss Pro. I'm not sure if you could interchange them, or if it would damage them to use one for the other. That would be kind of cool if you could use one charger for both, and then you wouldn't have to clutter your station. I don't know if they thought that far ahead, but that's all I know about those right now. The other thing that I'm really happy about is this Barber jacket. I have never felt something so nice, and I know it's hard to see on the video or whatever, but I mean, this quality is just like second to none. They told me that they like incorporate titanium into this material, and it's so breathable and it feels so nice. But I've always been sort of a sucker for the vest, and I always hated that mesh back. I thought it looked kind of silly, but this has got a really cool look to it. It feels like so light and airy, and it's just an awesome cape. It's made by a company called Barber. I got the idea that they were sort of just getting started, and they're really putting out some quality stuff. So I actually bought 2 of them. They were like $45 or something at the show. And the other cool thing is they also make capes, and this cape was super light, super airy. Looks like it's not going to cause your client to sweat. And let's face it, white capes really make your haircut pictures show up well. So I like that, and I'm going to be using this cape in the future very soon. You'll see it in some of my videos. And the other really only notable thing that I bought was I bought a new set of shears. These are called Buttercuts. There's been a lot of people I've talked to that said they were pretty good. So I'm gonna give them a try, and I'll let you know what I actually think about them after I use them. But these are supposed to be some really nice shears. And the average price that I seen at that booth was somewhere in the $400 to $500 range for a pair of these. But they had a special at the show where they were selling some of them for $99. So that's the $99 pair, and we'll see how well I like it compared to the other shears that I normally use. And of course I bought a bunch of combs, clips, and you know, new fade brushes. This one is super soft. It's probably going to be great to use on the clients, not scratch up their head. And I got these other ones. I just like the ergonomic feel of them. A new neck duster, which actually feels really light and it doesn't scratch you, so it's probably going to be fun to use. And then I got another set of the wall color clips, just because I have already 1,000 of them, and I figured I'd add one more to the arsenal. So I want you guys to stay tuned, and thanks for watching, thanks for listening, thanks for the support, and I'll be right back real soon with another video on the review for those Babyliss, because I'm really itching to give them a try. So as soon as they're charged up, I'm going to do a little haircut for you, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.